Hey everyone, I'm Julius Luciano. I own Riverside Insurance, and my cohort in dancing for the Dancing with the Stars event is going to be Jake Podorf. He works for New York Life, and both of us really like protecting families, and so whether that's through the insurance realm or with helping out with things like Boys and Girls Club, we're super excited to just be able to help the community in any way we can. So Jake and I are both pumped to be working with Kadra from A Dance Place. I know she's graduating this week, so congratulations to her. But hopefully she can take our 4 left feet, turn them into 2 left feet, and hopefully me and the other big guy that will be joining me won't embarrass ourselves too bad here in a couple months. Jake and I are doing this to support the local Galeton Clubhouse of the Weld County Boys and Girls Club. Every dollar helps, so any vote that we can get, we would love to have from you guys. We'd also love to see anybody from the community come out and support us. And if anybody wants to feel like they want to support the kids of the Galeton Clubhouse, go ahead and go to the online event page, vote for Jake and I, and we will promise to not let you guys down.